What up, third period? It is Miss Black here. I am just going to kind of run you through the steps of what we would do in a normal class period if I was here. So you should have all your supplies ready to go. We're going to grade the homework from last night. We'll just go over it real quick. We'll do a completion grade on this one. So first one, I am going to divide both sides by 12. So that leaves me with x is less than or equal to 4. So that's a closed circle on the 4, arrow to the left. Next one, I'm going to divide both sides by -9. And don't forget up here, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. So I am going to go ahead and flip it right now so I don't forget. Cancel those out. I will get -3 is less than x, which this is going to kind of turn into a double flip one because I'm going to want to put the variable on the left side, flip the sign again, and then put the -3. So I ended up with x is greater than -3. If you just left it like this, that's fine too, but like I tell you guys, I think it's easier to read it this way. So that would be an open circle, arrow to the right. Number 3, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. If I'm at -13 and I subtract 8, that means I'm going to the left. So that would be -21, I think. And that would be less than x. So I'm going to flip the whole thing because I want the x to be on the left. So x is greater than -21. So that is open circle, and I think it's counting by 3s. So that's -21, arrow to the right. All right, next one, I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. You guys think I have to flip the sign on this one? No. So we just multiply by 6. No need to flip. So we'll just keep it. -30 is less than x. But I'll flip the whole thing. Put the x is greater than -30. Make it easier to graph. So that is open circle on -30, arrow to the right. All right, next one, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. -7 plus 5 is -2 is greater than x. The variable's on the right side for a lot of these, so I'm going to keep flipping them. X is less than -2. Open circle to the left. All right, next one, I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So -16 is less than or equal to x, or x is greater than or equal to -16. So that is a closed circle to the right. All right, bottom row, multiply both sides by 11. I don't have to flip the sign because I'm just multiplying by 11, even though there's a -2. So x is less than or equal to -22. And look at that, they gave me the variable on the left side, so I get to keep it like it is. So that is a closed circle, arrow to the left. And last one, this looks nice and easy. +3 plus 3, x is greater than 33. That is open circle, arrow to the right. And if I messed up on any of those, please forgive me. I went pretty quick. All right, so blue sheets are on the table over there. Somebody can pass them out to everybody. You guys can fill in 100 if you completed it. And then let's go to the warm-up. So you can pause this video until you guys are ready for the warm-up. But when you're ready, there you go. So flip over your blue sheet and solve that inequality. And pause this until you're ready to go over it. All right. So if I'm going to solve this, I need to multiply both sides by -3. And automatically, first thing I'm thinking about is I've got to flip the sign because I'm multiplying by a negative. So I'm going to do that so I don't forget. Then I'll finish solving it. I'll cancel those out. -3 times 15 is -45. So negative 45 is greater than W. Or if you want to flip it like I do, W would be less than negative 45. So either of those are good. Bottom one's easier to graph. All right, cool. So now you guys can put your blue sheets away. Only thing you'll need right now is a pencil. So let me go to the next slide. I have everything listed out that you're going to need to do. So first thing you're going to be working on is you're going to be working in groups of like 2 or 3 on task cards. So you guys will share the cards in your group. There's 16 cards. They're all paper clipped together. And each person is going to get a recording sheet. So there's 16 boxes, so you can do your work in each box. So 1 set of cards per group, 1 paper per person. So you are going to complete all 16 cards. Then you're going to turn this paper into the tray. Paper clip the cards, give them back to the teacher. So we have them all organized for the next class. And then take out your Chromebook, go to Schoology, and work on that assignment. It is at the bottom of my Schoology. It's called Solving One-Step Inequalities with Google Slides. It's just 4 slides, kind of like the ones you did last week where you have to match stuff and drag and drop, stuff like that. When you finish, make sure you click Submit, because I will be checking to make sure you did that. If you run out of time, it's okay. You can use GoTime or finish for homework or finish tomorrow. I'm not sure how long all of this will take you, so we'll see how it goes. And then if you finish everything, then just ask the teacher for homework and you can get started on that. All right, guys, be good. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.